Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to create a party makeup look using 5 products only. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I am going to take the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I'll take a bit of it on the palms of my hand, and with the help of dots I'll apply it all around my face. If you want, you can take the help of the brush, but I feel more comfortable with the hand, so I am taking it with the help of my 2 fingers. In the market also there are several. With the help of my 2 fingers, I'll gently dab it all around my skin. Remember, you have not to scrub it, you have just to dab it on your skin, so that it gets settled down on your skin easily. Now with the help of this foundation brush, I'll gently blend this into my skin. Remember to use this foundation brush very softly, not with the too harsh hands. As you can see that the foundation has started blending into my skin. Remember, the foundation should be fine and it should be consistent all around. It should not be that at some point the quantity of foundation is too high and at some point the quantity of foundation is too low. So remember to blend it properly all around your skin with the soft hands. As you can see that the foundation has started blending into my skin and my skin looks more fine. More the time you will blend the foundation into your skin, more the time it will settle down. Now with the help of my compact powder, I'll settle this foundation on my skin. I'll apply it all around my face so that my foundation gets settled down on my skin and the makeup doesn't lose with time. So I've applied it all around my face. I'm done with it. Okay. Then I'm going to take the eyeshadow palette, and with the help of it I'm going to do the maximum makeup. First of all, I'm going to make my eyebrows. I'm having black color in this and I'm going to take a bit of it and I'm going to make my brows. I'm applying a bit of it so that the brows look sharper and thicker. Remember not to take so much quantity of it, because then it will look artificial. Yeah, as you can see that I'm done with my brows. Now I'm going to take light brown shade and that I am going to apply it on my face. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply over the lids of my eyes. I'll gently dab extra powder, then I'm going to apply it on my skin and cover my eyelids properly. As we are doing the party makeup, so remember to take the glittery colors. I'm going to cover my eyelids with the help of this brown shade, and you can see that I'm done with it. Yeah. Now I'm having this eyeshadow in the liquid form, so I'm going to apply over my eyelids. Yeah, you can see that I've applied it and I've created a crease over my eyes. In the similar manner, I'm going to do it for my other eyes. I've done it for both of my eyes, as you can see this. Now I'm going to take the shade Ivory from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to apply it below my eyebrows. I'll just stop the extra powder and then I've applied it underneath my eyebrows. You can see that how great it looks. Yeah, I have applied a bit of it and I'll apply a bit of it inside my eyelids also. Yeah, I've done with this. Now I am going to take this kajal and I'll apply on the waterline of my eyes. Now I will contour my face with the help of this eyeshadow palette only. I am taking this coffee shade from this eyeshadow palette and I am going to take a bit of it. I've applied it. Now with the help of my foundation brush, I'm going to blend this contour powder over my face. Remember, contouring gives a shape, a fine look, it defines our face and it gives a 3D image to our face. So with the help of it, I'm going to blend it. Remember just to dab the contour powder, not to erase the lines, because we want to give shape to our shape to the bones of our face. So I'm just gently dabbing this contour powder on my face. As you can see that I have blended my contour powder and I'm blending it on my face, and now my face looks more sharper, more defined. Yeah. With the help of my two fingers, I am blending it on my skin. Okay. So yes. Next we are going to take this pea shade from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to use it as a blusher on my face. So I'm going to take a bit of it. I'm going to dab it. I'm going to apply on the apple of my cheeks. I've applied it. I'm going to take a bit of it and I'm going to apply it on my face. Remember not to take too much of highlighter. So I'm going to apply it on my face. As you can see that I have applied highlighter on my face. Now the last step which we are left with mascara and my lipstick. I'm going to do, and then we are done with our makeup. I'm going to take this mascara, apply it. Going to take a red color lipstick, and as you know that red color, apply red color and you're just done with the makeup. I'm going to apply it. And this is our final makeup look. See how beautiful it looks. This makeup look we have created using 5 products only. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button for more notifications. Till then, bye bye.